Hello sewing people, welcome to my channel. I'm Pam and today I'm going to show you this MODERNAGE Class 15 sewing machine. It's built over the Singer model. A lot of different companies had their own brand of this machine, but it's built over this same as the Class 15 Singer sewing machine. And this is your straight stitch. So because it only has one stitch, straight stitch and reverse, it's a perfect stitch. Now this machine has a new motor on it, and the motor station right here, you plug in one of these. This one's to the machine, to the light, and this one plugs in the machine for the motor. And then this cord right here is the foot pedal, and it plugs into your outlet back here. And then you're good to go. Your machine foot pedal is down here. And I've put a brand new foot pedal on this machine too, so you've got a nice machine here to start sewing with. So, and the light is back here. Turn it on that way. Has to be plugged in correctly. Okay, I'm going to show you about this machine. We have, it's been serviced. It's got new belt on it. Everything. You're good to go. So I'm going to do a little sewing on this machine for you. Yep. Okay, I have red thread in here, so hopefully you can see, but it's a little slot right there. You just sit the thread in there, and you want to hold your thread because you want it to catch in the tension good. So you're going to go to the left. Everything on this machine, you go to the left. You can come back around. Excuse me a minute. Let me start over. Okay, you're going to come from the left. Come over this way, and you're going to catch this little hoop right here. And as you come up, I hope I'm not blocking with my hand. Can't see what I'm doing. You come through here. I need scissors, trim that down. Trim the end of that so it can go through there a little easier. Some machines have a slot that you slide this in. This one you pull it through. And come on down through here, down through here, and then you're going to thread the machine this way, left to right. See, everything on this machine is going to go left to right. And I'm not going to do it right now, but I'm just show you. This is where you thread it. Your bobbin's under here. Everything on this machine is going to go left to right. Okay, this machine takes Class 15 bobbin, just like the machines are Class 15. And I can't seem to find any more Class 15 bobbins at the moment. And this one is almost full, but this is a Class 15 bobbin right here on the machine. And another thing, while I'm thinking about, you do want to make sure that your machines are your bobbins are not damaged, because that does happen, and sometimes your bobbins are no good. You need to throw them out. Now this bobbin is pretty much full, so I don't know if it's going to wind. Let me just show you what you do. You put the bobbin on there like this, and you push it. It's going to snap in position like that. And let me move that. Well, I need another spool of thread. You're going to put your spool of thread, which you can do it from there because I've done it from there before. Put your spool of thread right there, And then you start it on the bobbin. You start wrapping it just like you do right here. And then, like I said, you push it tight. Now, before you do that, you're going to loosen this wheel right here. Because if you don't, it's not going to wind. Sorry, I hope I'm not confusing you by all this. Okay. Now, when you get that done, then you're going to hit the foot pedal, and it's going to wind just like that. And it will stop when it's full. And this bobbin is pretty much full. But when it's as full as it'll go, then the bobbin will stop and then pop back out. So then you get your bobbin, stick it back in there. So, that's how you do it. I hope that helped. If it didn't, let me know. This is a new camera. First time I'm trying it out. And I have another machine like this. I'm going to do another video on that machine by itself too. So if it's anything you need to see better or whatever, please let me know. And I appreciate you watching and hope this video helped you out. Thanks again. Bye for now. Let me tell you, I'm also including this instruction manual with the machine.